Hello everyone! Thank you so much for checking out today's video. Today's video request is how to use Canva for video editing with stock's Canva Pro. So let's get started. Alright, depending on the size you'd like your video to be or the dimensions you'd like your video to be, click on the custom size button, input your desired dimensions here, and click on Create New Design. Doing that will take you to the Canva editor or to the editing page. Or you can also just click on this button here that says Video. This is the video format, and it's 1920 by 1080 pixels, the standard. So we're going to click on that. That's what we're going to work on for today's video. Let's wait for the editor to load up. It's going to take just a couple of seconds. And here we are. Here are some templates, by the way, in case you might find them handy, but we're not going to need that in today's video. So we're just going to close that. All right. So of course, since we're going to use stock footage or stock videos, then of course we're going to have to get some stock videos to work on. We can either download stocks from Pixabay or Pexels. These are the two best platforms to get stock footage from. And yeah, but since we're talking about Canva Pro today, we're going to talk about Canva Pro video elements instead. And by pro meaning it's paid, so nothing's for free. In case you need a free option, then Pixabay and Pexels would do. So we're going to go to the Elements button on the sidebar, and depending on what you're looking for, type it on the search bar. I'm going to type in nature and hit enter on my keyboard. To view some video elements, we're going to go to videos, and here we are. So feel free to select any videos you want to use. If you want to use Canva Pro video elements, then you can filter your searches. Go to this filter button, scroll down, and tick the checkbox for Pro. All of your search results will be filtered, and only Pro elements will show up. So we're going to try to choose a very nice videos here. This one, for example. And in order to fit it into our page, we're going to right-click, set video as background. We're going to try to play it. There, I think it's a very pretty video. In case you want to adjust the duration of your video, click on that specific video clip, go to this button here, and adjust it just like that, or input the specific values here, for example 5 seconds, and click on done. You can actually split your video if you want to. Let me just undo it. So you can drag this line marker over here to where you'd like your video to be cut, say for example here, and then you can press this button that looks like 3 dots and click on split page. You can actually even click or just press the S button on your keyboard and it'll do the same thing. And as you can see, it split our video into the exact place where we placed our marker. So that's also one way for you to set your video's duration. To add a page, just click on this Add Page button, and a new page will be added. You can add another video to your different page now. So let's go ahead and try that. This one, we're going to right-click and set video as background. This is a very long video clip, so we're going to need to adjust it. We're going to click here, and I'd like it to be just perhaps 5 seconds only, and I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. and click on Done. I'd like the first clip to be 5 seconds long as well, so it should be okay. So basically, keep on adding pages and videos as much as you need to. Now let's talk about adding transitions. So hover in between the pages and you'll be able to see 2 buttons here. The first button is called Add Page, so it's used to add another page in between your 2 pages. The next button is called the Transitions button. So you're going to click on this and choose a specific transition effect that you would like to apply to your video. My ultimate favorite is flow, so I'm going to apply flow over here. And for each transition that you choose, you can also edit their settings. So in this case, I used flow. Here are the settings that we can use. If we choose flow, we can adjust the duration of our transition, and we can also adjust its direction. We can't really see the direction here since flow works best when there are text and graphic elements on your page, but you get the idea. We're going to add transitions or a transition to the next page. And there we go. In case you want to add elements to your design or to your video, just go to the Elements section. Look for the specific elements you want to use on your video. Say, for example, pop. I'm going to click on Graphics, and you can use graphic elements. But if you'd like to see animated elements, just like this one, go to the Filter button again. Tick the checkbox for animated, and it'll show your results here. If you'd like, you can also add text to your video. So click on Text on the sidebar. You can choose from some text templates by scrolling down, or you can just simply add a simple text box. Input whatever you want to input. And if you want to change your font, go to this font button over here and select a specific font you want to use. Here you can change your font size, but I don't think this is really necessary unless you're trying to input specific values for your font. You can drag it and it'll also change the font's size. You can change your font color over here. If it's not working, then make sure to highlight your font, your text, and then try again. And there you go. And also, depending on the font you're using, you can turn your font into bold, italics, or even underline. You can also edit your alignment, turn your text into either a bulleted or numbered list, adjust your letter spacing or line spacing, and add effects to your text. They have several effects here that you can choose from. If you like, you can even curve your text. But as for me, I think I like it this way, so I'm not going to be putting effects. And if you like, you can also animate your text. Go to Animate and apply simple animations. I think I like this one. And you can also even adjust your animated effect. Now let's talk about audio or adding an audio track to your video. If you want to upload your very own audio track, go to Uploads, click on Upload Files, select your files, and then click on Open, and then your track will be uploaded under the audio category. To add your audio track to your design, then just drag it onto your design and it'll be added right over here. You can do minor edits to your audio track. Make sure to select it or click on it. Click on this button that looks like 3 dots. And from here, you'll be able to see several tools. You've got Adjust, audio effects such as fade in or fade out, Beat Sync. Beat Sync is a useful tool in case you would like your elements to be timed according to the music or to the beat of the music. Next, we have volume. I'd like to adjust my volume here to about 21%. That should be fine. Or 20. And then you have duplicate track or delete track. If you move your marker somewhere in between your audio track, then you'll have the option to split your audio track according to that marker. So click on this button again, the 3-dot button, and click on Split Audio, or just simply press S on your keyboard. It'll do the same thing. And there you see, your audio has been divided into 2 tracks, or it's split into 2 tracks. Let me just undo it, Control+Z. And you can actually keep on adding as many audio tracks as you want. Just drag your audio track like that. And this would be a helpful tool in case you'd like to add a different track for your background music, a different track for your voiceover or narration, and a different track for your effects or sound effects, I mean. I'm just going to delete these. I don't really need them. And yeah, I'm just going to keep them this way. By the way, please do take note, you're not going to be able to extend your audio's duration because your audio's duration will depend on your video's duration as well. All right, so once you're finished editing, you can then finally download your video. We're going to pretend that we've finished editing our video here. So we're going to go to the Share button and click on Download. Make sure to select MP4 as your file type. Make sure to check other download settings as well and edit them or tweak them according to your preferences. Once everything's all set, then click on Download and you're good to go. That's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. Thank you guys for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video. You guys have a great day.